I'm Peter.
And I'm John.
And we're the RV Geeks.
If you're new to our channel, welcome.
We've been full-time RVers since 2003. And as we approach our 20th year on the road, we're here to share with you everything we've learned about managing and operating an RV.
Whether you're a seasoned full-timer, brand new to RVing, or just considering your first rig, we'll help you RV like a pro.
In addition to our YouTube channel and informational blog, RVgeeks.com, we also co-host the only network TV show all about RVing, The RVers, which airs on the Discovery Channel, PBS, iTunes, Amazon, and multiple streaming platforms.
Are you wondering about the basics, like how to hook up at an RV park, or how to manage your water and electrical systems when you're off the grid?
Not sure how to sanitize your water system or flush your water heater? Or maybe you're looking to pick up a few pro tips and tricks, or you'd like some guidance on how to choose and install the best RV gear.
It doesn't matter what your experience level is, or whether you're part-time or full-time. We'll help you get the most out of your RV and enjoy it more.
Besides showing you how to operate and manage your RV systems, we have hundreds of detailed videos on maintenance, repairs, and upgrades.
Thinking about maintaining more of your rig yourself? Our detailed DIY tutorials will help you save time and money and experience the satisfaction of a job well done.
We're not RV technicians, and you don't need to be either. If you're just a little bit handy, our videos will give you the knowledge and confidence to handle a surprising number of tasks on your own.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing that now, and be sure to ring the bell so you'll be notified each time we release a new video.
You can visit our website too, where you can sign up to receive our helpful RVing newsletters. You can also follow us on Instagram and look for us on the RVers on a TV near you.
We'll of course include links down below for all the ways you can join us for helpful and entertaining RVing content.
We hope to see you on the road, and as always, safe travels.
And thanks for watching.